Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to limit product quantity in WooCommerce. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner, you can get started with logging into your account. So after you have logged into your account successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where at the left side of the screen, you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with limiting product quantities. First things first, guys, go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce option right here at the left side of the screen. That's going to open up this menu where you can go ahead and get started setting up a new store if you have not already set up one. And if you have your store set up, you can then go ahead and manage it from here. And now we can get started. So basically guys, you can see right here on the official WooCommerce.com website, we can take a look at how we can get started with limiting our product quantities. And here is what we have to do. So after you have uploaded your WordPress WooCommerce account into your WordPress as a plugin, we can get started with configuration. So now we want to edit the product. So to edit the product, you want to navigate to the products, data, and general tab. It's going to look like this. So once you open up your products under WooCommerce, you want to go ahead and open up general data and then find the general tab where the quantity rules is selected. And under quantity rules, guys, you can get started with setting up your minimum quantity, maximum, and so on. And you can select everything regarding the quantity as you can see right here. So it's all going to be available under your WooCommerce product section. So you'll want to be able to find it here, and that's where you can get started with setting it up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.